Okay, they are going to remove this ceiling. Carpenters, that one who make down for ceiling, they are the one also to remove this one and fix another ceiling. Same design also down. As you can see, ito binutas ng mag-asawang pusa. Ayan oh. And then this is also very old. I think same down. More than 12 years ago. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung mga pako dyan. Ang daming pako. Kaya siguro mahirap ito tanggalin. Kisa yung sa baba, kunti lang yung pako. Ayan. They are coming now. And today is February 17. And today is Saturday. And the time now here in Pakistan is 8:30 AM. Ayan. I-fix ito ng new one. Tinanggal din yung mga ano dito, yung mga gamit. Tapos itong carpet tatanggalin din. At saka lalabhan din itong carpet. Maya-maya kunti darating sila yung magtatanggal nitong carpet. Tapos yung mag-ano nito, magtanggal ng ano ceiling. Ito ano din, ilabas din ito. Itong kama. Kaya yan na, ito yung mga gamit dito sa loob. Nilagay dito sa labas lahat. Ayan, tinatanggal na. Goodbye, ceiling. Thank you so much for almost 13 years service. Ayan si Papo. Siya din yung nagtanggal sa ano sa baba. Yung ceiling doon sa baba. Ayan, ganyan palang pagtanggal. Sayang yung plywood. Papua Chapi. They are drinking tea. I make tea for them. There are 4, my husband, and 2 carpenters who make ceiling. And 1 is helper. This one. Kunti na lang natira. Grabe ang ano, dumi. Ayun yung yero sa taas. Oh. Ang taas pala, ganyan pala yung ano, paggagawa ng ano sa taas. Already remove all the old ceiling. Now it's already clean here, and now they have to, I don't know what they are doing. They fix line here to put this new ceiling. There are 2 carpenters. Ganyan pala ang ano pag lagay ng ceiling. Ito yung ano ilalagay. The same din yung sa baba. Now they fix like this, then after that they will put ceiling. Now they are drinking tea. Second time again I make tea. 12:13 noon now. First I make tea 10 o'clock.